Hi, this is on-page SEO checklist and I'm going to share multiple videos regarding on-page SEO. First one is short descriptive URL. If you are writing a blog post, make sure that your URL is short and descriptive. Google says that use a keyword or set of words that are relevant to your content and explains that what your content is about. So when Google algorithm checks your website or blog post, it quickly understands that what your blog post is about. For example, best pizza oven is a good short descriptive URL, or best places to visit is also a good URL. Here's an example. Second, make sure that your URL does not look like this, like domain.com/numbers/dates or symbols or something like that. In order to change your permalink, you can go to your WordPress settings, then permalinks, and apply these settings. This way, you can make your URL SEO friendly. But there are some things that you need to avoid in order to make sure that your URL is SEO friendly. First one is avoid repeating words. Let's say you are uploading a men's t-shirt and you make a category like domain.com/men's/men's t-shirt. It's a bad practice. It's not a good practice because you use the same word again and again. Instead, you can use this keyword domain.com/men's/shirts. Audience and algorithm and bot will quickly know that your dedicated page or product page or blog post is about shirts that are relevant to men. Additionally, second one is avoid dates. Do not add dates to your blog post URL. It is outdated and not a good practice at all. Third, avoid being too specific. Do not be too specific in your blog posts, like writing 20 best places to visit or 5 best pizza ovens or something like that. It's not a good practice. Make sure to use unpredictable words like best places to visit, best pizza oven, or something like that. In this way, your URL is short, descriptive, and to the point. Make sure to follow for more videos.